What's up guys, welcome to a new episode on this channel. Thanks for clicking by. Today we are on our journey and exploring Strasbourg in the eastern France, and we will show you the top 7 things what to do in this beautiful, marvelous city. Let's go! First thing,
make a boat tour. Have snacks. Boat.
If you're looking for the company where you can rent these boats, the name is
Captain Bretzel.
Captain Bretzel, yes. That was so nice. We really enjoyed it, and yeah, we can highly recommend it. First thing you should do when you come to Strasbourg. And now we are moving on. Second, get yourself a traditional tarte flambé, Alsace style, which is like a thin pizza with sour cream, onion and ham, or some bacon. We will try.
We're at Le Gruber now.
The traditional tarte flambé with onion and bacon. And I will get myself some sauerkraut casserole with smoked meats and Alsatian noodles. And there he is.
The tarte flambé. Tastes very good. Cheers.
Point 3. Get a cool picture in front of the Notre Dame Cathedral of Strasbourg. Very cool. Man, so big. Wow. This is the Kleber Square. So it's the main square?
The main square, yeah.
So this is the main square here in Strasbourg.
This one is the Opera House from Strasbourg.
Such a beautiful city. Great day here in Strasbourg comes to an end. We had so much fun, and tomorrow will be a big day again. Yeah, see you in the morning. Peace. Good morning, friends. Another day here in Strasbourg has just begun. Beautiful day, lovely weather, sun is out, can't ask for more. So we are on our way to the city center again, exploring the city.
Somewhere unseen, it got a little longer, so it seems.
Number 4, strolling around these cute little alleys in Strasbourg. They are so beautiful and so unique. The architecture is very stunning, and yeah, number 4 so far.
Number 5, the Petite France. It's an old fishing area.
You got all these cute little half-timbered houses, and looks like in a movie. Long story short, come to Strasbourg. Number 6, the Vauban Dam, which is like a dam from the military, and it's the city's main log and a part of the fortification.
Smoothie bowl.
Yeah, that was okay, but it was more like a soup, so not like a smoothie bowl. But the cappuccino looks good.
Yeah.
Number 7, get yourself a croissant and eat the croissant with a good view. The best. Shopping at Rivetoile. Rivetoile. If you're looking for a good shopping center here in Strasbourg, we can recommend you the, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Rivetoile.
Okay.
But it's a very big shopping center and all the famous shops. So friends, that was our little video here from Strasbourg. We hope you liked it. It's a very cool city and you should come here and look for yourself. Yeah, thanks for watching. We see us in the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and peace.